bricks on bricks, so I can make a house that slicks. Money, so everybody will call me honey.